Belly, the one-stop shop for all essentials like snacks, beverages, grocery items, packaged food, cosmetics, stationery, fresh and organic fruits and vegetables, meat, household goods, toiletries and many more. Leave your kids at the playpen while you shop for all your household needs, all at a reasonable rate. Hurry, visit Jolly Belly Supermarket for ready discounts and offers. Step into the store and leave happy. For details, contact Jolly Belly below Mikado Restaurant, Police Bazaar at 7005 668657 and 98630 60336. A press conference organized by the Meghalaya Frontier BSF Shillong was held on 30th November to inform through the media about the activities undertaken by the Border Security Force along the international border between India and Bangladesh. Speaking to newspersons, the Deputy Inspector General of the BSF Meghalaya Frontier, D. Haukip, informed that efforts are on to complete the fencing along the international border, whereby about 30% of the land is still left as it is due to the problem of land acquisition. He further went on to say that land acquisition has been a lengthy process since most of the area belongs to individuals of East Khasi Hills and some of it of those from West Jaintia Hills. Meghalaya had been sanctioned an amount of rupees 104 crores and 64 lakhs for the construction of border fencing, Haukip informed. He also stated that the fencing, which will be erected beyond 150 yards from the zero line, will not affect agricultural land, which Indians fear may fall into Bangladeshi territory as the international border is well demarcated.
Mostly it is in the East Khasi Hills. But in other places also, in Jaintia Hills also, there are certain patches, but maximum are in East Khasi Hills. The main reason I have already mentioned that it is regarding the acquisition of land. So this, as you know it, the system in Meghalaya land acquisition, all the land is belonging to individuals and the communities. It doesn't belong to the government. So acquisition takes time. The process is very lengthy process. That is one of the main reasons that we are not able to complete it. By saying that land will be falling to Bangladesh, it is not correct because the international boundary is already marked. It is already well demarcated. So how it can go to other countries? See, we wanted that it should be, but there is international norms that any construction has to be carried out beyond 150 yards from the IB. This is applicable not only to the BSF, not only to the India, but also applicable to the neighboring country like Bangladesh. So that international norms we have to follow it. Yes, on humanitarian grounds, in patches like the village is right on the border, near to the border, we take it a permission or concurrence from the government of Bangladesh through the BGB. Then the single row fencing is constructed right on the border, or maybe around say 10, 15, according to the situation on the ground. Altogether, the sanctioned BOPs are 125. So out of this, 117 BOPs are already constructed. Some of the construction are still going on. As far as the demand of new BOPs is concerned, so far, because we have not been able to construct it, the remaining BOPs also, this will take some more time.
When asked about the Indian insurgent groups taking shelter in Bangladesh, the BSF DIG of Meghalaya Frontier, D. Haukip, informed that though the border guards of Bangladesh have been denying the presence of Indian insurgent groups in the Chittagong Hill tracts, yet there are still a few of them who inhabit the area as individuals and not as an organized group living in regular camps. He further informed that the proscribed Nyotrap National Liberation Council or HNLC does not have any camp in Bangladesh, though a few of its members crossed the border from time to time to meet their relative supporters.
Individually, some of the IGs are still, they are going and coming to Bangladesh, to and fro from India to Bangladesh and Bangladesh to India. So this issue was taken up, recently concluded IG's level talk.
Which groups are
What
these?
about
Which groups are these?
which groups are this?
The groups are mainly, if we talk about Chittagong Hill Tracks, the groups are based like NLFT and the insurgents group from Tripura mainly.
What about the band HNLC, a group from Meghalaya? Any input about these?
In fact, HNLC, as you know it, right now they also don't have any kind of camp in Bangladesh. But very few of them have relatives, supporters across the border. So they go on and off, but very few, very few.